You just ate 14,000 things. Listen, it's 9 o'clock. We need to go to bed. Brielle, enough. You're full of baloney. Don't laugh. Don't laugh. Are you ready to go to bed, Chubbers?
No!
You're full of baloney. All right, listen. You have to go give Peepop a kiss, and then we got to go snuggle.
No! I don't.
Shh. Oh.
I don't want to!
Shh. You're going to wake everybody up.
Run away!
You're such a faker. You're going to be an actress. A chubby one. I love you.
I'm really hungry.
What are you hungry for? What do you want to eat?
I'm really hungry.
For what?
I'm really hungry.
What do you want to eat?
With something I like.
Like what?
My daddy.
Like what?
Meatballs.
Spaghetti and meatballs?
Um,
You are so crazy.
Strawberries.
I don't think we have strawberries.
I want some strawberries.
Well, we don't have any. How about we get them tomorrow?
Okay.
Okay, go give Peepop a kiss so we can go lay down.
No.
Brielle, it's 9 o'clock.
Except it's not
Are you showing off for the camera? Alright, come on, silly goose. Go give Peepop a kiss.
No.
Knock it off. You're so full of...